Diligence cans. What a pretty boat. And there is the USS North Carolina. You can see. Battleship. Check out the size of these kind of buoys they got down here. Look at the size of that tree. Y'all, that chain right there is as big as my arm. I don't know if you can see the size of that tree. Those were some big, there, look at that. Huge. This is the Cape Fear. Right down there, it hits the Northeast Cape Fear and the Cape Fear come together. And here's the cleats they use. Here's my foot. It's a big one. And there's the Cape Fear Memorial Bridge. There. And there's the port down there, as you can see the cranes. There's the old courthouse. That is pretty down here. This is brackish water down here. God, those trees are huge, y'all. But this is brackish water here. There's the Isabel Holmes Bridge. I did a video on it going up and down. It's a regular drawbridge. And I thought I'd do a quick video in downtown Wilmington area. Real pretty. There's some big catfish in there. Downtown. So anyway, I will do a video. 200-foot little boat there, not bad. Alcoa diesel in it, 2 of them. I asked. Real nice. Seagulls. My old truck. And there is the old courthouse top there, as you can see, the spire, and that's what they use on the city vehicles. And as you can see, nothing is free. Thanks for looking, y'all. Really nice down here. Y'all have to come and visit sometime. We'll do a video. I've got lots of cool stuff we can work on electronics wise or whatever. You get a little bit of side view of that badass battleship over there. 14-inch guns on it. Oh, let's see if I can get a better view of it. It's all been repainted up. And cool water coming off, cool wind coming off that water feels good, y'all. That's Eagle Island over there. The other river comes around it. There's pictures after World War II where they had 100 Liberty ships moored in here after World War II. I think it was about 46. There's pictures you can look up online, and there's nothing but Liberty ships in here everywhere. There was like 100 of them. Pretty cool to look at. But that's pretty big more in there. Anyway, thanks y'all. Take it easy. There's the Diligence.